Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment as you join.
DJ Jerryman.
You made a way for me. That is the title for this one. Remain connected. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment. Let me know where you are watching from. Remain connected. The best is yet to come.
Raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You made a way for me. You made a way for me. Where there was no way. You made a way for me. 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 I could not see it. You made a way for me. When I was stuck
Don't go anywhere. Praise go before us is the title for this one. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. We are in a praise moment. In case you are expecting a pidgin version of it, I may come up with it later anyway, because currently we are using a pure English version of the praises. So remain connected, and that may come up later. Just remain connected. Let us check some of the tracks available in the studio. Remain connected. DJ Jerryman live in the studio, and your like, your share mean a whole lot to me on this platform. God bless you as you do that.